Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to share something that may truly transform the way your body feels, a natural, science-packed elixir that helps you burn fat, sleep deeply, and restore the youthful energy that's hidden within you. This isn't a quick fix or a passing trend. It's a gentle, biological awakening, a reminder to your body of how to heal, balance, and renew itself as nature designed it to. The human body has a remarkable rhythm, a beautiful balance between hormones, energy, and rest. When that rhythm is aligned, we feel light, focused, and alive. But when stress, poor sleep, and modern habits disturb it, we begin to feel the shift. Slower metabolism, bloating, dull skin, and that stubborn belly fat that resists everything we try. Now, imagine this. One simple drink before bed that restores this natural rhythm, improves deep sleep, and activates your body's fat-burning system all while you rest. This may sound too good to be true, but it's not magic. It's physiology. When we sleep deeply, the brain releases a powerful rejuvenating hormone known as Human Growth Hormone, or HGH. This vital hormone, produced by the pituitary gland, is responsible for regeneration, repair, and cellular renewal. It rebuilds tissue, supports healthy metabolism, enhances muscle tone, strengthens bones, and keeps the skin firm and youthful. As we age, stress, toxins, and lack of quality sleep can suppress HGH production. That's when we start feeling tired more often, gaining weight more easily, and noticing changes in the skin and energy levels. The wonderful part is that you can naturally support this hormone and restore your body's natural fat-burning rhythm by preparing your body for better sleep and giving it the right nutrients before bed. Let's begin with chamomile tea, one of nature's most powerful Chamomile has been used for thousands of years for calming the nervous system and soothing the body. Science confirms that chamomile contains a compound called a gentle antioxidant that binds to receptors in the brain to reduce anxiety and help initiate deep sleep. When you drink chamomile tea before bed, it doesn't just make you sleepy. It lowers inflammation, eases tension, and supports the release of human growth hormone. This hormone is most active during deep sleep, when the body is in full repair mode. So while you rest, your metabolism resets, your cells heal, and your body begins to burn fat more efficiently. Next, let's add apple cider vinegar, specifically the raw organic type that includes the mother. This ancient remedy is incredibly rich in enzymes and acids that support metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and stabilize blood sugar levels. When blood sugar remains stable through the night, the body is less likely to store fat and more likely to use it as energy. Apple cider vinegar also helps detoxify the liver, and a healthy liver is the foundation of a healthy metabolism. The liver processes hormones, removes toxins, and keeps your digestive system balanced. When the liver is functioning well, fat is metabolized properly, and energy remains steady throughout the day. The next ingredient, lemon, adds both flavor and function. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that support collagen production, improve skin health, and assist the liver in detoxification. Lemon also promotes hydration, balances pH levels, and boosts metabolism naturally. When you combine lemon with apple cider vinegar, the two work synergistically to help your body flush toxins and support digestion. Over time, this helps the body feel lighter, the mind clearer, and the skin brighter. Now we introduce cinnamon, one of the most medicinal spices in the world. Cinnamon contains powerful antioxidants and has strong anti-inflammatory properties. But more importantly, it helps lower blood sugar and improves the body's ability to manage insulin, one of the key hormones in fat metabolism. Cinnamon increases thermogenesis, the natural process of generating heat in the body which boosts calorie burning even while at rest. It also helps curb late-night cravings, making it easier for your body to stay in a state of fat burning during sleep. Now, let's put all of this together into a single healing cup. You'll need 1 chamomile tea bag, about 8 to 12 ounces of water, half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Here's how to prepare it. Boil the water and steep the chamomile tea for several minutes. Then, add the apple cider vinegar, the cinnamon powder, and squeeze in the juice from half a lemon. Stir gently and let it sit for about 10 minutes so the ingredients can release their natural compounds. About 30 minutes before going to bed, drink this elixir slowly. Feel the warmth as it moves through your body, relaxing your muscles, calming your nerves, and signaling your brain that it's time to rest deeply. As you drift into sleep, the body begins its silent, intelligent work. The chamomile soothes your nervous system. The lemon and vinegar cleanse and balance the liver. And the cinnamon supports blood sugar and metabolism. Together, these natural elements create the perfect internal environment for the release of human growth hormone. During deep sleep, this hormone works to repair tissue, regenerate cells, and help the body use fat for energy. You'll wake up not only more refreshed, but also gradually leaner and more energized. Within just a few days of making this a nightly habit, most people begin to notice the difference, falling asleep faster, sleeping more soundly, and waking up lighter and clearer. Digestion improves, bloating decreases, and mental focus sharpens. You may even find your skin looking more vibrant as your body begins to naturally detoxify and rebuild. Consistency is the key. The more often you practice this nightly ritual, the more your metabolism adapts to its natural rhythm. Hormonal balance returns, energy stabilizes, and sleep becomes deeper. This is how true anti-aging happens, not through harsh chemicals or expensive treatments, but through restoring harmony between body and rest. This elixir is simple, natural, and deeply effective. It doesn't fight your body, it works with it. Each ingredient has a specific role to calm, to cleanse, to balance, and to restore. Together, they create an internal environment where healing becomes effortless. Think of it as more than a recipe. It's a nightly act of self-care, a message to your body that says, you can relax now. You can heal. The body knows how to repair itself. All it needs is the right signal and the right nourishment. So here's the challenge. Drink this elixir every night for 1 week. Just 7 days. Pay attention to how you feel when you wake up. Notice your sleep quality, your digestion, your mood. You'll likely feel lighter, more refreshed, and surprisingly calm. And when that happens, remember, this isn't just about burning fat. It's about resetting your system, renewing your energy, and giving your body permission to restore itself. When the mind rests, the body heals. When the hormones balance, metabolism awakens. And when stress dissolves, youth returns, naturally, effortlessly. So tonight, prepare this simple drink. Sit quietly, breathe deeply, and let each sip remind you that healing doesn't have to be complicated. Nature already provided everything you need. You just have to let it work. And as you close your eyes tonight, know that your body is working for you, burning fat, rebuilding cells, and renewing itself while you sleep peacefully. If you find this helpful, share it with someone who needs it. Spread the message of natural healing. Leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to start their journey toward better health. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our Frontier Wellness community, where every week we explore the science and art of natural healing, longevity, and inner vitality. Because real youth isn't about chasing time, it's about living in harmony with it. And when you give your body the chance to rest, detox, and renew, it will reward you with energy, clarity, and radiant health. Drink this elixir, sleep deeply, and wake up feeling alive every single day.